Hey, boys and girls, we are going to continue our lesson from yesterday talking about elapsed time. Our success criteria is still that I will use a number line to find an ending time. We will also be using the same pictures from yesterday representing a mountain for 1 hour, the hill 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or in some case 30 minutes, and then a rock will represent 1 minute when counting intervals of time to find the ending time. Let's get started. Alex started his homework at 4:30. He spent 30 minutes reading, 20 minutes for math, and 15 minutes studying for his science test. What time will he be done with his homework? We have the starting time, but this time we have different intervals of time. So let's go ahead and start with the 30 minutes for reading. I'm going to use a hill, and I'm going to use that hill and say that it represents 30 minutes because I know that 30 minutes plus 30 minutes gives me a whole hour. So 4:30 plus another 30 minutes, I'm at the next hour, which is 5 o'clock. Okay, now I need to talk about the 20 minutes for math. I'm going to go ahead and use a hill to represent 10 minutes of that 20 minutes. So I am now at 5:10. And then I'm going to use the hill for another 10 minutes for a total of 20 minutes for math. So I'm now at 5:20. Now I need to look at the 15 minutes that he studied for his science test. So I'll use a hill to represent 10 minutes of that 15 minutes. So we're now at 5:30. And then one more hill to represent the 5 minutes of that 15 minutes. And so the ending time for his homework is 5:35. Let's go ahead and check our work. 30 minutes for reading, 10, 20 minutes for math, 10, 15 minutes for studying for his science test. So Alex finishes his homework at 5:35. Okay, awesome. Let's go to the next one. Sarah was traveling to her grandma's house on Saturday. She left at 10 a.m. She travels for 2 hours and 16 minutes. What time will she arrive at her grandma's house? This time, we're going to use our mountains first to represent our hours. It's important to know that she started traveling at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. plus 1 hour would give us 11 a.m. So not quite lunchtime yet, but almost. Okay, one more hour for the 2 hours. It is now 12 o'clock p.m. That's important. Remember, 12 o'clock a.m. is midnight, in the middle of the night. 12 o'clock p.m. starts your afternoon. So we are now at 12 o'clock p.m. Okay, then it says that she traveled for 2 hours and 16 minutes. So let's go ahead and add a hill for the 10 minutes of that 16 minutes. So we're now at 12:10 p.m. And then we'll add another hill for 5 minutes. So we're now at 12:15 p.m. And then one more minute. So we're at our final time of 12:16 p.m. Let's go ahead and check our work. 1 hour, 2 hours, and then we have 10, 15, 16 minutes. So Sarah arrives at her grandma's house at 12:16 p.m. All right, be sure to sign up for some small group time with your teacher so we can go ahead and continue practicing elapsed time.